Malapit na naman ang gabi, and minsan, or kalimitan, marami sa atin ang natatakot pag gabi na, and we would hear that Android earthquake alarm. 'Di ba? Talagang nakakatakot na minsan na para na lang kulog, parang kidlat na lang, parang ulan na lang, parang hangin na lang ang earthquake. 'Di ba? Grabe na talaga ang panahon ngayon. And I feel this sense of urgency. Hindi nga ito talaga yung Eva vlog ko. Hindi nga sana ito yung sasabihin ko sa inyo ngayon. But I feel this kind of urgency to talk to you about this. It is time for you to receive Jesus today. I know marami sa atin hindi pa natatanggap si Jesus as their Lord and Savior. Bakit nyo kailangang makilala si Jesus? Bakit nyo kailangang mag-worry about eternity? Kasi iba na ang panahon. Alam niyo naman, the Philippines has not been shaken this much. Hindi natin na-experience na twice in a day, thrice in a day, every day na earthquake. Yes, umuulan, na-experience natin ang baha. Problema natin ang baha. Problema natin ang bagyo. We are like, a typhoon prone country. And alam ko naman, scientifically, since the Philippines is located in the Pacific Ring of Fire, na we are prone to 800 earthquakes in a day, but those aren't like big quakes. Those aren't like major quakes. Yes, those 800 earthquakes could happen every day in 365 days, but that's not like, being felt. Some are like one magnitude of 1, magnitude of 2, magnitude of 3, but 7.6, 6.9 in a span of less than 10 days. That's something. I mean, you know that's something. No, let's not be kidding each other na normal lang to. No, this is not normal. And in the times that it's occurring, I mean, no, it's not normal. You know that. And I am not trying to scare you. You know, my ministry online is to help people overcome mental health struggles. And this is not giving you, you know, unreasonable fear. This is giving you an eternal assurance of what, the answer, the solution of what is to come. Kasi hindi natin hawak ang buhay. Hindi natin hawak ang earthquake. Hindi natin hawak ang bagyo. You know, alam nyo naman na natutulog tayo, bigla na lang tayong na gigising ng ating Android alarm na giving us 30 seconds to act because there will be shaking, there will be an earthquake, 6.9 magnitude, 7.6 somewhere. Kung ikay taga Cebu, alam mo, alam natin kung ano yung nangyayari sa atin. Kung ikaw na may taga Luzon, alam mo naman na we are expecting the big one. Walang hard hat, walang shelter, walang go bag, walang emergency kit, survival kit, flashlight, solar charger, power bank ang makakasave sa ating mga kaluluwa. Yes, we can prepare. We can have go bags, we can have energy bars, we can have solar lights, we can have survival kits, flashlights, torches, iba-iba. Nasa showcase ko nga yan sila. Pero, no, we cannot shelter, save, and prepare enough for the inevitability, for the eventuality, and the inevitable. We cannot prepare ourselves for the inevitable and the eventuality of the danger that lies ahead, and only Jesus saves. When our earthly existence comes to an end, where will you go?